Managing MikroTik routers and need to restore configuration from a ROS backup file. These contain complete router configurations for disaster recovery. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these MikroTik RouterOS backup files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific ROS application fails. More details to follow. A ROS file is a system backup created by a device running MikroTik RouterOS, a popular operating system for network routers. Network administrators create these files to save the router's complete configuration, including user accounts, firewall rules, and interface settings, for disaster recovery or migration purposes. This is a proprietary binary file containing a snapshot of the router's configuration database. It is designed to be a compact, all-in-one package for quick restoration. The binary nature protects the integrity of the settings and ensures that it can only be restored to a compatible RouterOS device. This ROS file is designed specifically for the developer tool MikroTik RouterOS by MikroTik. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows only shows the backup file itself, while deeper access requires the original software. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the ROS file and choose Open With. If MikroTik RouterOS is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. When your ROS file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This ROS file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, restoring via WinBox. Launch WinBox and connect to the target MikroTik router. Navigate to Files and upload the ROS backup file to the router's file system. Then go to System, then Backup, and click Restore, selecting the uploaded file. Enter the backup password if applicable, and the router applies the configuration after a system reboot. Next, restoring via web interface. Access the MikroTik router's WebFig interface through a web browser. Navigate to Files and upload the ROS backup file. Then go to System, then Backup, and click Restore. Select the uploaded file, enter password if needed, and confirm restoration. The router reboots and loads the restored configuration automatically. Finally, exporting as text configuration. For migration to other routers, use the export command in RouterOS terminal to create a text-based RSC script instead of relying on binary ROS backups. The export script can be edited and applied to different RouterOS devices regardless of model. Use both ROS and RSC formats for comprehensive backup coverage. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.